please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and if you are new to this channel, please consider watching similar videos of my channel. And if you like, you could please share with all your friends that they will also get some benefit from my content. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Vivek, and today I am going to make a video on different topic because it is very important to know about a very emerging field in future. Because guys, a lot of people I met and they generally ask me a question that, hey, do you know about ethical hacking, and can you hack about Facebook and whatnot, and can you hack Instagram, and they just ask about some question. I meet a lot of guys like they would ask, do you know ethical hacking? Then you can hack my computer. But yeah, ethical hacking is a very large field, and it is not like that. Hacking is not that just someone get and type a lot of commands on your using the keyboard and the system got hacked. So it not work like that, guys, because companies spend tons of dollar in their security to create a secure software. But sometimes what happen? They create softwares, but some bugs or some vulnerabilities are remain unnoticed by the developers. They are working on it. So these vulnerabilities may create a lot of chaos in their system. So these vulnerabilities may remain some silent or in a very small part of their bug or code. So it remains as a bug. But if this bug or vulnerabilities is noticed by some bad guys known as black hat hackers, I'm saying these guys as a bad, because if these guys get this vulnerability, then they will make a chaos on your system. They will generally blackmail them or demand very high ransom from your company owners. And these cases are very now common nowadays, because people generally means use low quality software, do not update their softwares, or using crack, and they use very simple password to cache. So this is related to the data breach, guys. And sometimes this is the mistake of the users also, but sometimes this is the mistake of company also, because while testing there are some little bug. Even if you say that these bugs are very difficult to notice, but they may cause very large problem. So for solution this, companies like Google, Microsoft and Apple, as you can also see on your screen, on your video, in this video, that they launch some bug bounty program. So they invite variety of ethical hackers to test their system, and they tell them to find out the vulnerabilities and bugs present in the system and please report for them. Because if you know that these vulnerabilities are noticed by some or caught by some black attacker, then they will demand thousands of dollars and lakhs of dollars from them, and the reputation of company also goes down. So avoid this, many company launch some Apple security bounty bug bounty program. So I am giving example here as a Apple security bug bounty program. So as you can remember, you can read this if you want. As a part of Apple commitment security, we rewards researchers who share with us critical issues and techniques used to exploit them. We make it priority to resolve confirm issues as quickly as possible in order to protect a customer. As you can see that Apple is a very big company, guys, and if Apple get hacked, then it will create a bug in market. Apple got hacked, and then the reputation of company will get badly damaged. To avoid this, company launched this kind of program. But I'm going to tell you some tips that I've learned from my research and also some my program, because I know what is bug bounty little bit. I'm in that a mid intermediate or a bigger level. I'll have little bit knowledge of it, so I can share with my student that what you need to take care of while registering in their company bug bounty program. So it is very important, guys, that you read their eligibility, because if you just come and select their any domain and just perform some test, and some miraculously if you find some bug, and if you use them or even if you report them, then it will not consider as ethically. They will register some crime against you because you have not taken permission from Apple. So it will be very disaster for you, because this company will charge very high fine for you for this, and it will consider as a very big crime, and it will create a lot of problems for you guys. So please, I request you to do not engage in any kind of unethical activity. So these companies are very tech giants. They rule our technology. I can directly say that because Apple and Microsoft and Google are very few tech giants. So if you unethically damage the business, then they will come to chase you and damage and fine you a very big amount. So please do not do an unethical practice, but you can report their work ethically, guys. For that, please read this eligibility, either you are eligible or not. If you are eligible, then only register in their bug bounty program. So please read this. I will give the link in the description. So let me give you short description on that. They have written that in order to be eligible for Apple security bounty, the issue must occur on the latest publicly available version of iOS, iPad, macOS, tvOS, or watchOS, and with a standard configuration, and where relevant on the publicly available hardware on the security research device. So please read this. It is very important to read this, guys. Also, please see their terms and condition, because do not attack or do not test any domain they had not mentioned in their bug bounty program. If you do so, it will not be considered as ethically. I am again warning you. It is please consider as a tip or from a friend. So it will be very dangerous for you, because I know that what will be happen or the consequences are very bad. So next topic is bounty categories. That what is the bounty categories and payment uh, you will get. So let me give some tips also here. So guys, there are a variety of kind of bugs there, but all bugs are not very harmful. Some bugs are like that, they may not cause some very big issue, but cause some normal issue which can be resolved in just a minute. But some bugs are very severe, guys, like remote control access. So remote control access is very big bug, guys, and if you discover it, you will get lakhs of dollars also. It is known as red flag bug or vulnerability. There are mainly green, yellow, and orange. These are variety kind of bug. I will make a detailed video on it, and please also comment down if you want a detailed video on it. So what are the different types of bugs are there and how you can resolve it, which tools you need to use, which OS is best for ethical hacking, and which apps you need to consider, and domain. So this is very different topic, and if you it will take a very long time. So please comment down your thought that if you want a detailed video on it. So I will explain some of them here. So topic is unauthorized access to iCloud account on data of Apple servers. Also device attack via physical access. You can see lock screen bypass and user data extraction. As data is very valuable, you can read this, and I don't think that you need my help to understand whatever they had written. Kernel code execution is also very important, because you know that iOS is a Linux kind of version. Is Android and iOS are generally are form of Linux, which are specifically designed to run mobile device. So kernel is a, you can say, the heart of any OS that will responsible for the means bridge between hardware and software. So please read this. One click unauthorized access to sensitive data and kernel code execution and whatnot. Zero click to radio to kernel with physical proximity. Same, guys, network attack without user interaction. So you can see also the price here. So if you find any kind of bugs here, then it will become, it's a lottery for you, because you will become very rich in that case. So but to get the money, guys, it is very important that you follow the specific format which is mentioned by Apple in order to get the money. The format is very important, guys, because if you do not make the in proper format, then it may the possibility that the Apple may not reject your application too. So it uh, your all the hard work you have spent and the time you have invested in it, so it may get waste. So please read this. A complete report includes description of the issue. Second is any prerequisite steps to get the system on impact state. So you need to make a complete video on it and give the complete description on it, that how do you develop an approach, what kind of tools and software you use, and effect of that work on the particular software. So you need to make a complete video of it. Enough information for Apple to be able to reasonably reproduce the issue. So they will actually test your report and test the environment and check whether the issue is really exist or not, and then only then they will pay you. So you can read this, everything needed to execute the chain and a sample. These are technical terms, so understand it. I already tell you that include all relevant video, crash logs, and bugs report. So this is very important that you include all that thing. So that's it guys in this video. So please like this video, share this video to your friends, and comment down that you want a detailed video on bug bounty, that how it is performed, which tools are best for it, which OS is best for it. So thanks a lot guys.